Chill.
What's up, family? Back again at the airport. This time with family. It's Jason and Chris's birthday. They have siblings. 2 years apart. 2 years? 2 years apart. Born on the same day. And years. You kidding me, mate? Trying to find the rest of the family down at Gate 20 because we're going to Samoa. But we got to stop in Fiji first. And it's a long story. We got to stay there for 8 hours, bro. Yeah, so it's gonna be pretty funny. But yeah, I'll check in with you guys when we see the rest of the family. When I was this small, now it's this big. Blending with everyone.
Shake that booty, mommy, shake it. Bailele como giki, me por giki ay foi nesse. Ay oi na o neno fusi ma uma kalepe. Ola ko kai ko uma ma ko ma fa o po. E pula da kamore lo ma ko ne lei foi fale. So le uso. Si kamia ko ile se piko wa o a ule. Ba ai yo kalangi se yo o a ula vale. E uma le so ma si o a ule. Alright. Okay, cool, make me esse. Okay, cool, make me esse. Shake that booty, mommy, shake it. Shake that booty, mommy, shake it. Male foi vocale, cale. Salad. Sube baila Mac, DJ Diesel, bring him back.
Ain't nobody do it like me.
Pass over it. Okay, cool, make me esse. Okay, cool, make me esse. Shake that booty, mommy, shake it. Shake that booty, mommy, shake it. Alright. Música uma festival, só vivia uma música, uma festival, só vivia uma música, uma festival, e valeu uma música, uma festival, se kilo si baile populali, baile skaxinali, kala maile ako kupe boy ka kele, baile si fileli, bigile mastangali, yeba male maukingo ke moy lulaba fali. Shake that booty, mommy, shake it. Shake that booty, mommy, shake it. Shake it. Shake it. Shake it. Shake it. Shake it.
Stop time.
Kanya lava blanco ngene, musika samo mulai sile volume. Levanti samo awu lava ngene, fali como naku bole a o se blend. Okay, cool, make me esse. Okay, cool, make me esse. Shake that booty, mommy, shake it. Shake that booty, mommy, shake it. Male foi vocale, cale. Salad.
What's up? What's up? What's up? So we're about Wednesday. Is it Wednesday today? Thursday. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Arvo, we are gone. We're just trying to enjoy every little bit of it, even though we miss home quite a lot. Wife?
Hi.
What did you just eat, wife?
Burger Bill.
Cracker peel. So,
Leftover Burger Bill.
leftovers.
You know, cause oh yeah, I just spat.
Yeah.
I tried to do American accent.
Okay, try not to do an
And I
Indian
failed.
accent. Try not to do an Indian accent.
Okay.
We're in Faliasitu to swim. Some of our church members are from here too. Their uncle owns the church down there. Somewhere. Right there. We brought this one here. We always bring this guy. He's from Melbourne. You live on the west side, eh? Yeah, so. And obviously, brother and sister in the water. Hi guys. They're on a boat. They brought from Fali. Really? Yeah. But yeah, I'm not gonna jump in because I'm swimming a bit too much. So I think I should just kick back. You know, taking the sun rays, even though I'm a bit black. Oh, kick back, I'm black. We were gonna go to Osua, but his grandma went into surgery. God's goodness was upon her, his favor was upon her, that the surgery went well. So tomorrow we start our little adventures, so stay tuned. I think we're going to go to Osua first tomorrow, then hopefully Beulah, then maybe the Sliding Rocks. But we got to do that, so Friday, Saturday, Sunday, you don't really do anything on Sunday. Friday, Saturday to do our stuff.
Pasa,